Welcome to Babylonia. When Babylonia started, the people learned only Italian. Now, the people can learn the many different languages, for example, Russian, Spanish and English, for many students. But the official language is Italian.
In Babylonia, there are many classrooms to study. There is a bar, a internet point, and a restaurant for students. In Babylonia, there is a garden for relaxing, talking, and little concert.
There are 6 classrooms with television, chairs, board and air conditioning, but one room for conferences.
Babylonia is a beautiful school.